Hi guys, welcome. Hello, welcome back to another video. So I'm Suzie QTingz. I'm gonna give you the things them on my fall box. FABFITFUN. So yes, don't forget guys to subscribe, share, and like. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the notification bell and also subscribe. So I'm having a drink here and I'm having a smoothie. So it's watermelon and mango as I go through my box with you guys from FABFITFUN. So let's get started. Anyway, there's some coupons here and it said pass this on to a friend, you get 15% off. That will go down in the description. So you have bright sellers here, you know, like little coupons and stuff like that. You get 10 free meal from HelloFresh. They always put these in the box, and you know their books that it tells you the prices on things and stuff like that, something like that there. What else? Let me just skim through it and just show you guys. It tells you everything that you need about the products that you have, something like that. Yeah. Ooh, food. This one is called what? Pumpkin spice recipe. Maybe I should try that. Ooh, this looks good. It looks scrumptious. Yeah, but yeah, you know the book, it tells you, gives you details on the products. Okay, so let's see what's in the box and how much they are cost. So my first one here is Glow Milk. So this is from the Beauty Crop, and this one is nurtured with coconut and argan oil. This one is vegan, so there's no animal base in this product. And how much is this one? This one is $16 for this one. Let me see how it smells, right? There's no smell to it. I had gotten another one. It's called Focus Glow on the other box from before. And yeah, it was pretty good. So yeah, this I will definitely try. Next, oh, this phone is on. Hold on guys. Let me turn this off because it's distracting me a little. Okay, I'll give it to my cameraman. Turn it off for me, please, and thank you. Okay, put that over here on that side. Next, I got some clips. These clips are, where is it? D. I don't see it. 3D. This says 3D ED. Okay, when I find it, then I'll let you know. So it's like 3-pack of clips that I have gotten. The other one, which is Dr. Dennis Gross, is alpha beta, and this is for pores, refining, and serum. So refining. What? So sorry. Let me repeat that again. This one is alpha beta. So it's pore for your pores, protecting, refining serum. Okay. This one is for, let me find it. That is it. I can find it. Okay, I'll get back to this one. Okay, the other one that I have here, this one is called Pumpkin Spice. So my phone fell off the stand and thing. So as I was saying with this one, I found it. So this one is $65 for the Dr. Dennis Gross alpha beta pure protecting refining serum. Okay, the next one is the pumpkin spice paraffin salt. And this is a kit. So this is include 2 complete 4-step paraffin kit. So you have the sea salt soak, you have the sugar scrub, you have the mild muscu, and then you have the massage butter. So that is all 4 that comes in here. This one, the cost for that one is $20. So $20 for this. The next one that I got, this one is the protective and repair treatment muscu, if I'm saying that correctly. But yeah, so this is Nature Lab Tokyo. I won't be getting into the fine printing on that because I don't want to strain my eyes. So this one is $16. So this is use this treatment mask to restore dull hair from the scalp to standard. It has keratin, technological, and what else? Prickle pear oil, whatever that is. Yeah, so this is a hair mask right here, and this one is $16. Next I have here is hydration jar kit. This one is a glass water bottle. I love the color, it is beautiful. This one is $35. Ditch the plastic and obtain glass. Which glass is better to drink from anyway? So yeah, here you have it. This one is what, 20 ounce, and it's $35. Next we have Nectar, if I am saying this correctly. Forgive me if I'm not pronouncing these names properly, but yeah, don't mind the noise upstairs. So these are they call them sunglasses. Whoops, my bad. But they look like test glasses. So yeah, these are the sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses with brown tote. So I guess they change color once they go into the sun. I kind of look like a school teacher. Hello, children, be quiet in the class. But yeah, so these sunglasses are $45. Yes, $45. Next I have, well, I think that's the last. Okay, so the last one is this Foxy Bay. This is a curling iron. So this is rose gold 25 mil wand. I always wanted one of these, and thank you FABFITFUN for giving me one of these because I was gonna go buy one. So here, this one is $99. Okay, $99. So what I did, I had plugged it in because I wanted to test the merchandise. Okay, so here I have it. It's already plugged in and it's rose gold. It's kind of pinkish. So let's see. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, share, and like, and then wrap it up. It's kind of hot too, you know. Okay, something can go on, or I had to hold it on a little bit longer. Okay, let me hold it on just a little bit longer. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Hold, 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 hold. And then something. Oh, yes. There you go, people. There you go. Okay, let me do the other side to even it out. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And I will see you guys in the next video. See ya! Okay, so here it is. So I'm going to test it on my hair. So Wrap, 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 wrap. I don't want to get burned. And it looks like, you know, I'll probably get burned or something. And then something can go on. Yes, girl. Yes, I have me a one. Okay. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, you know, share with a friend, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Anyway, one it in out, one it out, one it, sorry, one out, one it out. Okay, one. Anyway, bye.